There is 1 week left to enter to win Milo 2.0. The winner of this car is going to get flown out to come and hang out with me and take delivery of the car. For every $5 you spend, it gets you 1 entry towards the car at www.thehuntingcompany.com. We have a Rocket Bunny V2 Widebody kit, OEM Audio Plus stereo upgrade, Sabon carbon fiber hood, HRE vintage 501 wheels, and a Works Stage 2 turbo kit, which is carb legal. If you're still watching this ad, head over to thehuntingcompany.com right now to enter to win the car. You're running out of time. What's up guys, welcome back to today's vlog. Starting the morning off in the GT3 RS, listening to that flat 6 scream. As you guys know, I screwed up on the BRZ wheels the first time we made them, and essentially our fix to correcting the offset that we had on the BRZ was creating a new center for the wheel because they're multi-piece wheels. Essentially what that means is, because we had new ones made from HRE, I have a set of centers now that are unusable for us. And originally, I was just gonna have HRE melt them down and get rid of them. But then I actually realized, wait, that would actually be like a really cool item as like an art piece. And then I was thinking, wait, it'd be really cool to kind of give that away to you guys. So we're picking them up right now from HRE, and I'm gonna be giving them away on the Hunting Company orders up until the giveaway drop that ends on June 5th. This is so sick, dude. This is so cool.
It looks sick in the 18 too.
Yeah, dude. So these are the front centers we originally had made. So imagine, you know, the barrel on the 2 sides and stuff. You notice there's a little bit of concave here, so it was a little too aggressive. So the new face is a lot more flat, doesn't have the concave. But these, I was just talking to them, they're like, this alone, this material is like easily worth over $1,000. I have 2 of them. By the time you guys are watching this video, I already probably gave 1 of them away, and I just announced it on Instagram. So if you're not following my Instagram, you missed the giveaway option. Or if you're not following the Hunting Company's Instagram, I announced it on both those 2 platforms. I gave 1 of them away already. Stay tuned, because before the giveaway ends, I'm gonna do another day where I'm gonna be throwing this in a random order, and I'm gonna announce the second one in a YouTube video. So to stay posted and you won't miss it. All right, I'm gonna pack this up and we're gonna head over to the shop. The one thing this car does need is an exhaust. Not something that's too much louder, but just a little bit louder. Just a little bit. After running all of our errands, we're finally back at the shop, and I want to get you guys caught up really quick because Calvin's been here making this thing look gorgeous. We just lowered the front end of the car. It now matches the rear height. It obviously could go lower, but I don't want to ruin this car before the new owner, which is one of you guys, comes and gets it. I don't want to make the car any lower and like scrape the underside of the bumper or lose the bumper or anything. I'm gonna let one of you guys, when you pick it up, you can lower it yourself, but this ain't my car, so I'm treating it with respect. So I think the ride height is respectable right now. It looks super good, matches the back, and we're good with that. We're gonna be installing the new stereo system in the car today. And the stereo system that we're gonna be putting in is my favorite system for this car. I have it in the original Milo. Calvin has it in his BRZ, and now we're gonna be adding it to Milo 2.0. And that is the OEM Audio Plus kit. These guys are amazing. We're gonna be replacing all of the speakers with new speakers that can increase the audio quality. And also we're gonna be adding the subwoofer, which adds a whole nother level when it comes to listening to music in that car. Like my BRZ actually has the best sound system out of any of the cars that I own. 100% honesty, it is the best sounding system I have. The subwoofer kicks deep. It does great with all different types of music, and I love it. And this kit also comes with a new amp as well. So we're gonna be installing this today. We've done it twice before. We're gonna do it a 3rd time today. Calvin is a literal guru with the BRZ. I tend to forget half the things in my life, so Calvin's already stripping this car apart. The wiring mechanic that he is, and
We're back.
We're gonna just jump right into it today. Are you following I remember making that cut on Milo to slip the wiring harness through.
Super easy clap.
So I'm gonna be following my dad's instructions. Colin's gonna be telling me what, I don't even know what's next. Should I start replacing the speakers?
I already did that.
You already did that. All of them? Not all of them.
Yeah, I did that.
No, you didn't. No way. You replaced all the speakers that they came with.
Who do you think I am, dude?
Are you, wait, if you're being real, I'm like ultra mega impressed.
Look at open the box. You see the box over there that's supposed to hold it? Go open it.
No way. Dude, I'm serious. CalvinKnowsThings.org is a legitimate thing. It's actually incredible. Here's the stock box, which I thought had the, whoa, it has the stock speakers in there, which are actually kind of cool. I wish I could have shown you guys the, oh my God, here are the little tweeters. The new speaker upgrades are like carbon fiber. They're super, super cool. Also went above and beyond, and OEM Audio did a paint match on the subwoofer, which is the same paint code as the BRZ'S. So dude, this thing is so cool. All right, well, where do you need me? Are you just wiring up the subwoofer? Where do you want me? He's like, I don't want you. You're trash, kid.
I didn't want to be the one to say it.
Yeah, that's fine. I could
trash,
read,
kid.
I could read your vibe.
You're a trash kid.
You're trash, kid.
Gamer.
If they're not on TikTok, no one gets that vibe.
That's a Twitch.
I respect the drip today, Calv.
What drip are you talking about?
What drip are you talking about?
Me getting this done pretty quickly?
That too.
Yes, sir.
Seriously, where do you need me, Dad?
I don't know.
Obviously, you guys have been able to figure out over the last few months of living in this house that I do like my clothes, and I do like to be stylish, and I have outfits for all sorts of occasions. And I'm gonna put you guys on to my little secret, and that is jeans from RevTown. Now, these are not just your typical jeans. These jeans were actually developed by ex-Under Armour executives. Now, if you guys know that brand, you know that that brand is all about performance, breathability, comfort, flexibility, and when they left and started this new brand called RevTown, they brought all those personality and traits, but into denim pants. I ordered these jeans in 2 different colors, and they have a million different color options that you can choose from. They're still super, super tough, but super mobile. You can literally see as I'm holding these, I can stretch the material. That stretch the material gives you the look that you still want from the jeans, but the movability, the comfort. And not only are these things extremely comfortable, oh my God, they look amazing and they feel great. Sabrina, how do I look?
Damn, babe! They're really nice. They're not too skinny.
No, these are actually the most comfortable pair of pants I've ever worn. Like, not even in the jeans category, just like in general. And right now, if you guys go to revtownusa.com/hunt, you guys could pick up a pair of jeans for yourself. Listen to me and do yourself the biggest favor ever and pick up a pair of their jeans. Thank me later. Thank you so much for RevTown for existing, and thank you so much RevTown for sponsoring today's video. And now let's get back to today's grind.
Look at these muns. Big money.
This is nice, boys.
Big money. You gotta get your face on the floor, dude.
This is nice.
Big money plays. Huge.
Yeah. Oh. I also just called the boys at OEM Audio Plus, and they said that this is actually the newest kit.
500.
It's better than mine.
Not the
It's better than
405.
Calvin's.
Oh, Dad, you should
It's
get
the
one.
newest
Ooh,
one, and it
buy me
has
one.
gain
It's
control
almost
for the
Christmas.
sub.
It's almost Christmas.
Let's go.
It's almost my birthday and Christmas.
Tilt this.
No, I gotta put it in.
Excuse me, Jet. We're trying to film a vlog here. I don't even got the paint match.
Man, I want a paint match.
Do you have a paint match on yours?
No.
Damn. So OEM Audio just hooks the boys up over hooking us. It do be like that, though.
It do be like that.
We just routed all of the wiring underneath the car, or like in the interior panels, and now we're just putting in the 2 last plugins for the subwoofer and then the amp on the inside of the subwoofer. They're pretty difficult to get to, so Calvin just does what he does best and just puts his fingers in there and just gets it done. And then once he plugs that in, there is a bolt that we'll put through right here and put through on the top of the subwoofer up on the top, and it secures it to the inside of the interior so it doesn't rattle around or move anywhere.
They don't call me Magic Hands Calvin for nothing, bud.
Who calls you that?
Everybody.
Everyone.
You've called me that.
I have?
Yeah.
You're right. You ain't wrong.
Magic. It's in.
Oh. All right, so let's do this part now.
I'm pog champing.
So Calvin installed the C-clip right here. You reuse one of the push pins on the inside of the liner. I'm gonna have to put you boys down for a second. Wait, it probably won't go in until I'm in. That looks so good. Still retain the trunk. You lose a little bit of space, but it sits so flush and it's in there so snug, man. Yeah. That makes me hyped, bro.
We
Dirty deep.
Amongst it. You missed it, but you see, I'm filming. Subscribe to my channel.
You quit streaming, boys.
I'm done.
Streaming's
I'm done
out.
streaming. Last time I got a Among Us meme in chat, I couldn't handle it. You know what? You know why I don't stream, Teach? It's because I don't have a goose to play with. I'm a little off that goose right now.
I don't have Wi-Fi in my house.
I
have Wi-Fi.
Get Wi-Fi, dude.
My internet's really bad. I don't have good internet until Starlink comes in. And Elon told me it wouldn't be till mid to late 2021.
You talked to Elon?
Yeah, Elon called me. And I was like, dude,
Damn.
Mr. Musk, I appreciate all the work you're doing, but seriously, pick up the slack, my guy.
My guy. Truly my guy.
So.
You called him my guy?
Yeah. I treat him like, you know, he's equal with me.
Yes, sir.
Everyone's equal here. So he got him, my guy.
He got him my guy?
Yeah. Once we finish plugging this in, or Calvin's plugging it in, my mitts are just big, okay? I got a big set of claws, and it just doesn't fit in those spots. Once it's plugged in, we're gonna hook up the battery, and this thing's gonna get fired up for a first listen. Okay.
Turn up the beans.
So, we have a non-copyrighted hip-hop song. YouTube, please let this be accurate, and let's not get demonetized here.
If it says at the bottom, licensed by YouTube. Okay.
We have, oh gosh.
Crank up the bass.
We have the bass controller here. Should I crank the bass up all the way? Let's do max bass.
Max.
That light's kind of bright. I might want to put a piece of tape over that. That's a little too bright. Okay, so we're gonna crank some volume.
We're gonna give her the beat. We don't even know how loud it is.
Oh, I don't. All right, here we go.
Turned it off, you fat child.
Sorry. All right, here we go.
Are you gonna turn up the beans?
We're gonna turn it up. We're gonna see how she be, though.
Yeah, every day that's you and me. All day that's us.
Dude, that's way louder
See,
than
I don't know
mine.
why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on. Maybe now
500.
I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm just looking for that same vibe that you on.
Amazing.
I'm here with my boys, going crazy in this bitch.
Look at this.
Overseas, getting biz. No Mercedes in this bitch. We made that album 9 months. Had a baby in this bitch. I'm with your babe on the run.
You see it vibrating?
I'll smoke a lot, but I get green.
Nice.
Ball out, no SBs. I
Nice.
know routes you got. Serving that beat stop, no steps.
Dude, that's so much louder than my bass. Is yours that loud?
The 500. The new iteration.
Damn. All right, let's go to another song. This is like max volume. It's really clean up top. It's louder than what it normally is.
Man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. I just wanna be the man my dad never was.
Damn, dude.
Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beat.
What happens if we put it down?
They don't like me.
All right.
Put the seat down.
Oh, yeah, okay, try that. Yeah, dude, it's one of those things that I wish you could see through a video or just feel through a video. Dude, for being how, like, it's just a 1 sub, it's like a 10-inch sub or something, it's pretty gnarly. It delivers a lot of kick. All right, I'll let you get in before we blast it. Give her.
Tomorrow brings in this crazy life. This life, this life, this life, this life. And I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy for living. Oh yeah, this life, this life.
That is so sick. I love that.
Damn. Wow. So honestly, I would just leave it maxed out.
We're definitely of the era of car guys that like cars to shake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it ain't rattling outside, no, I'm just playing. I don't really like it rattling, but wow.
If you can't hear the license plate, get out of here.
Dude, it's one of those things that you guys, if you have a BRZ and you even like music a little bit, this is like a must.
A must. Absolutely.
Get an exhaust first, and then your number 2 mod, OEM audio, speaker and subwoofer. It's
easy.
It's that good. Like, it's almost, when I was driving this car before, when we didn't have any, because I'm so used to my BRZ that it's like the only sound system I know in a BRZ. And then I went and I got in this car when I was driving around. I was like, wow, the speaker system sucks. And then putting this back in, this is better than what my BRZ is. Like, it's over the moon. I'm gonna link all their stuff down below. We've been using their products for years now, and they're really good people. So if you guys are interested for the BRZs, check it out. I know they do some stuff for like Tacomas and FJ. They do Toyotas and they do Subarus, and there's a few other cars sprinkled in there. Check them out. I'll leave it down below. 10,000,000% out of 10. Get it for your car.
Oh, we should leave a review. I'm gonna leave a review.
You're gonna leave a review?
I'm gonna leave a review on their website.
My favorite thing about it is all of their stuff is super non-invasive. Hence OEM Audio Plus. Like, obviously speaker replacements are one thing, but the amp that it comes with the subwoofer, everything is like seamless. You don't have any awkward fitting things. You don't have to sacrifice fitment. Everything's perfect. Daniel from OEM Audio Plus, you know who you are. We love you. Thank you for hooking Milo 2.0 up with the speaker system. The new owner's gonna love it. Hey!
TJ, why would you do that? Why would you do that? Get away from me. That's so mean.
Just got home from the shop. I'm gonna have Sabrina be the first person to drive this car.
Wait, I can't move this forward?
No, you can. There's a lever, I think on your right thigh.
Oh, there it
and now
is.
you can
my.
pull that forward. There you go.
This thing is, okay, wow.
You see how how forced you are to sit upright? It's pretty cool, right?
Am I gonna scrape on anything?
I know where we'll need the front lift, so you shouldn't know.
Oh,
You
okay.
should- Yeah.
If we hear that noise that I always hear when you drive, it'll be fine.
Yes, should be okay.
Does this thing like beep a little bit?
Nope. There's none of that on this car. You don't get any of it.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I am not qualified.
No, you're okay.
Okay, if I crash it, it's okay.
Yeah, if you crash it, it's fine.
No, like.
Oh, okay, stop.
Oh. You scared
Okay,
me.
you you don't go up steep things ever.
Babe, I don't understand. Okay, okay. So, this.
Okay,
I have to angle it.
Yeah, that was my fault. I would have thought you would have known to do
Okay,
that.
Am I good to be doing this right now?
Yeah, now you're good. Now you can go. The front lift's on. All right. Well, here we go. There's no one. Oh.
Wow, you would have just wrecked us.
No, I wanted you to floor it. I want you to put your foot to the floor and hold the steering wheel straight.
I don't know if I can do that.
Put your foot to the floor.
I don't know.
Make sure the car's straight. Okay, now seriously, all the way. Hold it. You took your hand off the steering wheel. What was that? What was that about?
What is that whistling? Oh, your window's
The window's open.
Oh my gosh.
Why did you take your hand off the steering wheel there? Just widen your hands a little bit. 9 and 3.
This is 9 and 3.
No.
Like this?
Yeah, a little lower. There you go, like that.
Oh, this is.
Just made it home from dinner. Good news, we didn't die, but we got very, very close.
Bad news. He did not let me drive home.
If you guys missed the Instagram giveaway on the wheel, as I said earlier, we're gonna do another one, and I'm gonna announce it just on YouTube. So stay tuned for that if you wanna win the other wheel from the BRZ. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Peace out, and keep moving forward.